Hello everybody, my name is Priscilla Parodi and I am a Advocate at Elastic. In this short video, we are going to see how to validate a contribution. Validation is also a way for you to earn points. So let's see how it works. I open up the portal and then I will open the Validate Contributions webpage, and there's a new one for me to validate. All of the contributions available for you to validate based on your profile will be right here. So this one was submitted to use in this cycle, so I'm not going to validate right now. But let's use as an example one submission from the last cycle in Brazil. So Flavia Knob, a contributor from Brazil, submitted a contribution, a code contribution. So of course, the date is wrong. But let's go ahead with this contribution as an example. Basically, it needs to follow the rules. So there's a URL here, a link here, and you can click and it will open the rules. So we need to verify if his contribution is right based on these rules. So we need to read all of them. So first thing, the code must be contributed to Elastic repos. So let's see if it is right. Yes, this contribution is part of one Elastic repo. So this one is fine. And then it must be approved by Elastic in the Elastic GitHub repo. So it should be approved. So if Flavia decides to submit it, of course, again, as an example, to submit it before getting the final approval, we can't approve because we need to wait for the Elastic team to validate. So then we can decline it. But let's see if it was approved or not. So there are some change requests, there are some comments, there are different things here, but what you're looking for is for the final approval. Yes, it was approved. So then, as it was approved, we can accept this contribution. But this is one criteria. Let's see the others. All right. You must submit a valid link to the code contribution. Yes, we could access, so this link is working. And the other, the date the code was published must be included in the valid link. So the date should be there. And it should be right, of course. It should be part of this cycle. Again, the date is there, but this is an example of the last cycle. So of course the date is wrong. And then we can't approve. But let's pretend it was from this year submitted to this cycle specifically. Then we could go back here and then we could approve. But let's pretend this submission is with the wrong date. Then we need to provide a reason. So we can type it here saying that the date is wrong and we can decline. And that's all. That's basically everything you need to do in order to approve or decline a submission. But please always remember to make sure that you're reading all the rules of the right category, because this is the point for us, and this is what you need to do to make sure that this contribution is valid. And that's all. Please let us know if you have any questions. We are here to help you. Thank you.